My name is Debbie Nissen, and I am the coordinator for the Dayton Food Pantry. Volunteers have come from all over. We have volunteers from the church. We have volunteers from the community, friends, family. Anyone who gets involved with the food pantry, 99.9 of them want to come back because they just really enjoy it. The people are so grateful to get the food. There's a good camaraderie. There's a sense of community, and it's just very rewarding. We're a partner of YCAP, and so our food comes through USDA and through FEMA, through donations that people make at their local grocery stores and food drives, and then the monetary donations that we receive. I go out and do shopping, and I try to get the best buys. I use coupons, and just like anybody and everybody else, I just try to get the best deals. It is such a blessing to be able to connect with the people of our community. Our goal here is to provide them some food with the hope, with their physical needs being met, that cash that it frees up by us supplying them food, they can keep their rent paid. And in a way, we're hoping to keep people from becoming homeless. And it's a blessing to be able to do this.